Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And this is our lecture number 26 from the chapter Lines and Angles in 9th class mathematics. And our today's topic is exercise 5.2, question number 6. Let's read out question number 6. In figure, this is the figure. P, Q and RS. P, Q and RS are two mirrors. These are two mirrors, P, Q and RS, placed parallel to each other. इन mirrors को कैसे रखा गया है? इनको रखा गया है parallel to each other. That means the same distance has been kept between these two mirrors, and they are facing each other. They are facing each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. एक इंसिडेंट रे ऑफ लाइट जो है वो इस मिरर PQ पे पड़ रही है. कहाँ पे? किस पॉइंट पे? पॉइंट B पे. So incident ray AB is coming and it is striking the mirror PQ at point B. Then it reflects back towards the mirror RS at point C. Then again it reflects to form line CD. All this is written here. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. This incident ray that struck the mirror PQ is parallel to this reflected ray CD. This line and this line. We need to prove that these are parallel. Again, I will repeat what the question says. Okay, there are two mirrors. One is PQ and another is RS. They are facing each other and they are parallel to each other. Means they are keeping the same distance between them. Okay, an incident ray AB is coming and striking the mirror PQ at point B. Then it gets reflected towards the mirror RS and strikes it at point C. After striking point C, it reflects back to form a line CD. Now, AB and CD, these are the two lines. We have to prove that these two lines are parallel. See, we must see it carefully. How can we prove that AB and CD, these are parallel? If we somehow prove that angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, this angle is equal to this angle, then definitely these are alternate interior angles. These will be our alternate interior angles then, because this line, and there's a transversal. So if angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, if these angles become equal, then definitely these are alternate interior angles, and when they are equal, then definitely AB is parallel to CD. That means we should prove that angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. For this we need to give our justification. We need to prove it. Okay. First, we will try to write what is given to us. Do we know what is given to us? Yes, two mirrors are there. Two mirrors, PQ and RS, parallel to each other. Two mirrors, PQ and RS, parallel to each other. Okay. We know that incident ray is striking the mirror PQ. उसको गिवन में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. Prove हमें क्या करना है? What we have to find? What we have to prove? We have to prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. How can we give our proof? See, how can we give our proof? Let us see. This is an incident ray AB, and this is the reflected ray. Okay, incident ray, reflected ray. Two angles are formed. Here with the normal. This is the normal line, which is perpendicular to PQ. BL is perpendicular to PQ because this is normal. Normal always makes the perpendicular with the base, with the mirror. Okay, there are two angles are formed here. This angle 1 and this angle 2. Okay, this ray of light strikes the mirror RS at point C. Again, these two angles are formed here. This is 3 and this is 4. So 4 angles are formed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, which we need. Okay. This is called an angle of incidence, and this angle will be called, angle 2 will be called as angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. This is angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection. Now angle 3. If we see carefully, this ray of light is coming and falling on mirror RS, so it becomes incident ray on this mirror, although it is a reflected ray coming back from point B, coming from mirror PQ, but for this mirror RS, it is an incident ray. It's an incident ray, and this becomes the reflected ray. So angle 3 becomes the angle of incidence, and angle 4 becomes the angle of reflection, and CM is normal. CM is normal. BL is normal. Normal always makes a right angle, always is perpendicular to the mirror, base of the mirror. So BL and CM, these are perpendiculars. These are perpendiculars. And also these are parallel as well, because these are two distinct lines, BL and CM, and are perpendicular to the parallel lines. So these two lines, BL and CM, are also parallel. So now we will write here that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because of angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, since angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Since angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, यहाँ पे angle of incidence angle 1 है और angle 2 angle of reflection है. इसी तरीके से angle 3 angle of incidence है और angle 4 angle of reflection है. तो ये तो आपस में बराबर होंगे. angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, isn't it? तो इसको हम पहली इक्वेशन रखते हैं दोनों को. angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. ये हमारी पहली इक्वेशन रहेगी. ओके, ये हमारी पहली इक्वेशन रहेगी. ओके, अब आप देखिए PQ is parallel to RS, PQ is parallel to RS and BL and CM are perpendicular to them. Now PQ is parallel to RS and BL perpendicular to PQ and also CM perpendicular to RS. चलिए जी, मैंने क्या लिखा? मैंने लिखा PQ parallel to RS and BL perpendicular to PQ and CM perpendicular to RS, है ना? तो therefore, तो इससे पता ये चलता है हमें कि BL is parallel to CM. BL is parallel to CM. BL is parallel to CM. These two lines are parallel. And BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. That means angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because these are alternate interior angles. See, these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, and there is a transversal. And on the left side of the transversal, on the upper side is angle 2, and on the lower side, on the right side of the transversal is 3. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because of alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because of alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This is our equation second. First equation was angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. First equation. And now we saw that PQ is parallel to RS and BL and CM are perpendiculars. Therefore, these are parallel to each other. BL and CM are parallel to each other. That means angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because of alternate interior angles. This is our equation second. Now we will, as I already said in the start of the question, that if we prove that angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, then definitely AB is parallel to CD. Now we will take angle ABC. Now angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, isn't it? Angle 1 plus angle 2. See carefully. If we see carefully, angle ABC is equal to Since these two angles are equal, yes, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So instead of angle 1, we will write angle 2. Instead of angle 1, we can write angle 2 because angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So instead of angle 1, we can write angle 2 plus its own angle 2. That gives angle ABC is equal to twice angle 2. Okay, now we will take another angle, that is angle BCD. That is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, isn't it? We can write angle BCD. BCD is equal to, instead of angle 4, we can write angle 3 because these are equal. That's equation first. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So instead of angle 4, we can write angle 3. First, it has its own angle 3 plus, and instead of angle 4, we will write angle 3. That gives angle BCD is equal to twice angle 3. Isn't it? Now, if we see equation second, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, and we have got twice angle 2, angle ABC is equal to twice angle 2, and angle BCD is equal to twice angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3, that is equation second, isn't it? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So twice angle 2 will be equal to twice angle 3 because angle 2 is equal to angle 3 in equation second. From equation second, we have, हमारे पास equation second में है angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. That implies, अगर angle 2 angle 3 के बराबर है equation second में, तो हम लिख सकते हैं twice angle 2 angle 2 के बदले लिख सकते हैं twice angle 2 is equal to angle 3 के बदले लिख सकते हैं twice angle 3, क्योंकि अगर हम twice कट करेंगे तो angle 2 is equal to angle 3, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो अगर हम गौर से देखेंगे, बताइए twice angle 2 किसके बराबर है? twice angle 2 किसके बराबर है? एंगल ABC, एंगल